Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Rackspace VPS with SSH and SFTP detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to your Rackspace VPS using SSH, you will first need to gather a few important. Obtain the IP address of your Rackspace VPS from your Rackspace account dashboard. Make sure you have your SSH key or password ready, as this will be required for authentication. Open your terminal application if you are using Mac OS or Linux. For Windows users, launch the command prompt or use an SSH client like PuTTY. In the terminal, type the following command, replacing username with your actual username and IP_address with your VPS's IP address. The command format is SSH username at IP_address. Press enter to execute the command. If this is your first time connecting, you may see a prompt asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes and hit enter. If you are using an SSH key, you may need to specify the key file with the I option, like this, sshi/path/to/your/private_key username at IP_address. You will then be prompted to enter your password unless you are using key-based authentication. Upon successful login, you will see the command line interface of your VPS, indicating you are connected. Now, to connect using SFTP, you will start by typing the SFTP command in the terminal. Use the format SFTP username at IP_address. Press enter to initiate the SFTP session. Again, you may be prompted to verify the host and enter your password if needed. Once connected, you will be in the SFTP command interface. You can use commands such as ls to list files, get file name to download files, or put file name to upload files. To exit the SFTP session, simply type bye and press enter. In summary, connecting to your Rackspace VPS using SSH and SFTP is straightforward. Ensure you have your IP address, SSH key, or password ready and follow the command prompts as outlined. This will allow you to manage your VPS effectively and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.